should be live. Let me check. Scheduled. I should be live now. Okay, there we go. She's live. She's live. Should be live. Let me check. Scheduled. I should be live. My thing is frozen again. Live. Let me do this. She's live. Be live. Let me check. Scheduled. My face is frozen. I don't know why it does that. Can you see me at all? I feel like it's very dark in here. Even though I have natural lighting. Maybe it's just not bright enough today. Let's see how that looks. Hold on. Yeah, a little better. Not by much, but this is what you're gonna get. This is what you're gonna get. Yeah, okay. Let me put this together. Let me start my 2-hour timer. All right. Ni hao ma. We're back again. I told you guys I wouldn't take another 2-week hiatus like I did last time. All 0 viewers that I have, I told you guys I would not take another hiatus for 2 weeks. I want to be on my shit. So, I guess I should get this off the damn screen. Okay. Because let me see. Let me see how that looks. Because I would like to leave it on laptop screen, but the only issue with that is that I don't want to accidentally click something I'm not supposed to click and then I showed it to stream. But anyway. So it seems like when I close this tab, it makes it a black screen if I have it on window. I wonder if it shows a different tab. Does it show that? Does it show that? No. So it only shows the one tab. No, it shows it. Okay, it shows it. So it'll only show Chrome, and then when I take it off Chrome, it won't show Chrome. Okay. So it's either Chrome or nothing. All right, then. All right, so last time, obviously, the last thing we did was figure out the mechanics of the timer and the idle animation. Because we were supposed to do the idle animation and the hint box, but idle animation took literally the entire hour and a half. So, but I want to show you guys something because yesterday I did some off-screen mining, but no, literally I did a lot of stuff yesterday. I was on my shit. Basically, I was on some shit yesterday. I was working my ass off. So first, you can see this cute little screen I made. Look at this. So this is my, we'll start from the beginning. So first of all, you hit start, black screen. Look, that's my logo, my game development channel, my game development studio. There we go, game development studio. Let me show you guys one more time. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would already have seen this last night because I posted a post about it. But if you don't, Boba Tea time. I actually made a fucking title screen. And I made a whole. I'm gonna do it one more time. So I'm proud of that. This looks, besides the art quality not being top notch, I feel like that's like a real game, like a real game studio. You have your black screen, it fades until your title, then it shows the real thing. So I made a whole fucking title sequence from when you hit start one more time. This took a lot of time. Listen. So title screen. So it says WHGT, which stands for Winged Hearts Golden Tears, and I'll show you guys because I showed it on Instagram last night, but I'm sure I have like 2 subscribers on Instagram, 2 followers. So this is my I'm waiting for it to catch up so I can see if you guys can actually see it. Hold on. Okay, you guys can see it. This is my Minecraft skin. This is my skin on Minecraft, right? It's me. I have like a little suit and tie on, which I wear a lot, especially in the winter. And I have a cute little flower crown and a cute mask and cute like angel wings. Cause I just start, you know how Bedrock is, you have to use a pre-made something. So I just started clicking shit and I was like, ooh, this looks cool. So I was like, okay, now I want to draw it. So this is my skin on Minecraft. If you guys have seen my recent Minecraft streams, you would have seen it. I don't stream or play. Oh, I don't stream or play video games as much on this channel because I don't want it to be a gaming channel anymore. I want it to be a game development channel because one, I feel like it's a really hard market when there's a million gaming channels. Number two, I was only playing games when I was making a video at that point. Number three, just, I don't know. I don't know what number three is, but basically, so I play it pretty much on my own now. I played Minecraft for the first time in a long time last night. So I wanted to get back gaming because I've been working so hard. I want to take out time for myself to have actual fun time. Not just work, and nothing else. So part of that was making myself play games again because I know I like it. And I played Minecraft for like 3 hours last night. And I was playing peaceful because I didn't want my shit to get fucked up by a creeper. I was playing peaceful. I'm gonna make a survival world tonight. But yeah, so yeah, this is my skin. Like I said, you would have seen it if you have seen my recent oh, I can't do that because you guys are gonna see. Oh yes, I can. I hope. Okay. Obviously, I have some channels that you guys cannot see right now. Actually, hold on. I can just hide this. It'd be good practice to make sure I don't accidentally dox myself. It's like there's some channels you guys don't need to see. Okay, great. It won't show it up. Okay. Bro, hold on. RIP. That's kind of crazy. Hold on. RIP Lamar. Alright, now we can go. Because there's a whole separate button. On mobile, it just shows you all your channels. Look, we're live. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, hitbox time and maybe hopefully some level design too. We'll see if we can get the level design because you see I've already been yapping for like 20 minutes. But, you know. But anyway, what was I even coming here to show you? Oh yeah, I was showing the live I was talking about. So yeah, I used to, if you go a year ago, I was doing a lot of lives, you know, trying to get some live streaming in there in between my videos. So that was my old skin with my Taekwondo Dobok, but I was like, I don't want that anymore. So I switched it to, you should be able to, what? Oh, I guess it's not on my, oh yeah, because these aren't thumbnails that I picked, it's just random thumbnails from the stream. Hold on. I'm sure there'll be a point in which I show my skin. Wait, there it was. Alright, see, you can see it a little bit. So that's my skin. It's really hard to see. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. See, so that's my little skin from, this is my recent skin that I've made up. And basically, long story short, I was like, I had a lot of imagery in my head of me as an angel, just because, like, it's fun. I wish I had bird wings and I could fly. Fly like a bird, watch me fly away. But yeah, so I wished I could be, so I had wings, I drew this, because I was like, this would be a cool thing to draw. That's kind of cute. I want to have a drawing of me. And then I was like, and then I drew this, and I was like, okay, now I need to figure out a, I need to, wait, how do I, hold on. I'm trying to learn to be a YouTuber, guys. Leave me alone. Hold on. And then if we do this, okay, there we go. It's fine. There we go. So yeah, so I was like, okay, this would be a cool, I had a thought. I was like, okay, I'm drawing this. I knew that I wanted this imagery to be something, like me as an angel or something. Like, not like in a death type of way, but just like in a fun, you know, it's kind of cool to have wings and fly. More like a bird. And I knew I wanted that to be a part of my, what do you call this thing? Brand. I'm not even making $1 off of any videos, so it's not a brand yet, but eventually I hope to be a brand. And then I thought it would be cool to have this as my brand, something similar to this. I want it to be wing related, flying related, angel related, that type of thing. So I think it's like cool. Like, I don't know if you guys have seen Adventure Time, like the secondary show. What was it? Land of Ooh or something, or Legends or Never Die, something. Friends, Best Friends in Ooh, whatever that Adventure Time secondary show was called. You know, like Steven Universe Future, it was like Adventure Time something. So they had Jenny, whatever that boy was who had a girl name and looked like a girl. Tiffany from Adventure Time in the secondary show, he had cool wings and stuff, and that made me think of that, because I thought that imagery was really cool. And, you know, I'm doing a lot of yapping to say, what I thought of was Winged Hearts Golden Tears, because like gold accents. I had a gold bracelet on my Minecraft skin. So it's like, okay, let me think of something that sounds poetic and like sappy and cool. So Winged Hearts, like okay, wings, and then Golden Tears because the gold. And then this was the design I thought of. I was like, okay, so I have the name, but I have to find a way to put the logo on things. It's like I don't want to write that every time. That'd be cool for like a T-shirt or something, but not everything. So it's like I want a cool little stamp logo for my games and for whatever. I was like, I want to think of something for my game development studio. You know, because eventually, like I said, I want to get good enough to be able to sell my games. So I was like, okay, Winged Heart Golden Tears, because you know, based off of my Minecraft skin. WHGT. I write in cursive anyway, so this was perfect. I thought that was really cute, and then I was like, okay, how can I simplify this into a simple logo to be able to be printed on stuff and stuff? So I was like, Winged Heart Golden Tears, and this is my symbol I thought of. A cute little heart with wings, with gold accents, and then golden tears. Now, the issue I found myself is how do I make the tears not look like pee-pee tears? I think it looks pretty good. You know, obviously summer, you know, you got the summer sale for back to school. And there was some Crayola crayons and markers on sale. So I'm like, ooh, that'd be cool. So I bought me Crayola markers, the thick markers, the skinny markers. I bought color pencils, and I bought Crayola crayons, all for like $5. It's supposed to be $10, $11, but it was $5. It was awesome. And I bought a notebook. So yeah, and I drew this with those markers and pens. You know, obviously there's outlines and Sharpie, but what have you. So yeah, this is my artwork. I like it a lot, and basically I spent 10 minutes yapping just to explain that my game development logo idea, game development studio logo was thought of was based off of my Minecraft skin. I said all that to say. So anyway, let's get into it. So one more time. Look at that. And you guys see how the start screen, the start button shows up later. So this is my title screen, really simple, Boba Tea time. You know, and I'm too lazy to add any music or sounds for this game. The next game I will. This game, no, we're not doing that. My computer can barely handle running the game. I'm not even showing the damn screen. Oh my goodness. See, this is why I check. This is why I look to my left. This is why I look to my left. This is exactly why I look to my left. This is why I check. This is why I have my little mini screen. This is why I have my phone as my secondary monitor. Because I need to... I will very easily accidentally just be doing something and not... Excuse me, not realizing you guys can't see me. Okay, so one more time, because you guys have to see it. I'm subjecting you to this. Look at that. Look. Now, I was thinking of having a black screen in between those two frames. I wanted black screen, logo, then black screen this. I was thinking of that, but I don't know. It's like I'm not an actual game development studio yet where like I'm big making AAA games. I don't need to be so pretentious to have 50 seconds of the logo, right? But, you know. So anyway, title screen, Boba Tea Time, of course, like I said, so I think I'm going to make 3 games in Boba Tea Time universe before I move on. I have like a list of games that I want to make here. I can give you guys a precursor for the ideas I have so far. Just simple names. I gotta find it. Scratch. Big games. Here we go. Boba Tea Time 2. Avi Warriors, which will be a fighting game, and you will see what the fighting game is about when we get there in like 5 months when I finish this game. Avi Warriors, and then Eloise, which would be a mystery game. Where? Huh? That'll be a game about puzzles. Not like this, how this is a puzzle platformer, like actual puzzles. We'll get there when we get there. And then I want to do some educational games like spelling, math problems, nature, social studies, etc. And I also have a game idea called Draw the World! Which will be a art game to draw around the world with other people. How will I do that? We will get there when we get there. So I'm just sharing my ideas. But yeah, so right now but I do want to have Boba Tea Time like 1, 2, and 3, I think. So this is Boba Tea Time 1. It'll have 3 levels. 2 will probably have 6 levels, and so on and so forth, you know. Like, I thought it would be kind of cute and fun to have my own little series. But whatever, what have you. So this is Boba Tea Time 1. It's gonna have 3 levels, and they're gonna be simple puzzle platformer games. Yeah. So I made like I said, the second game will have an actual like title screen song and like background music and stuff. I might not even. I might make it myself in GarageBand. I might just get it off of goddamn Scratch. You know, we'll see. Fucking freelance music off of fucking my instance or something. so, so this is the title screen. Look what works now. Look what works now. Look, it actually works to hover over it. And guess what else works? You might be noticing something. You might be noticing something. Can you guys see? Why is it cut off? Why is the corner cut off? At least on my screen, on my phone, it looks like the corner's cut off. How do I uncut it off? I don't understand. Like it's cut off to a certain extent to the right. Let me see if I can do something about that. Oh yeah, it literally is cut off. Okay. See if we do that. Will that have helped? Like I didn't realize this whole time the right side of the screen was being cut off. I didn't realize the whole time. Okay, well. Okay, well. Cool that we figured that out. I did not even notice that. Um, okay. Oh wait, let me turn the preview off now so I can save as much laptop as possible. So yeah, we got title screen, no music of course for now. We have the start screen that actually lights up when you hover over it, and guess what else lights up? Bing! Guess who that is? Guess who that is? Guess who that is? My favorite pinkish salmon tie, a random blue jacket that I thought would look good. So yeah, look, so Boba Tea time, start button, or you can hit this, and this is simply a little information box. Look, I glow, and I have cute little hearts like Undertale. So yeah, just a cute little information box. IG, if you want to follow me on IG, the YouTube channel, because there's people who are going to find this game on Scratch, and hopefully children don't find. I hope it's other adults that use Scratch because they don't want to use C++ or JavaScript, because Scratch is a child's platform. So hopefully they don't go to the channel because I curse sometimes. But of course I'm not gonna make any games inappropriate and publish them. If I make inappropriate games, they'll be published elsewhere. I will not be publishing them on Scratch. So of course, but this one will be published on Scratch because it's not that bad. It's not gonna be inappropriate. It's just a puzzle game. But yeah, so I thought it would be kind of a cute idea to have a little information. So this is gonna be my hold on, actually. Hold on. Oh god. Okay, click it. Okay, there we go. This is going to be something that I hold on, I need to copy. How do I can I paste another U? So I want to put it in the backpack. Not that, okay. Oh shoot, I'm showing off things that I shouldn't be showing off. Hold on. So I want to copy, duplicate. Okay, and I want this to be, yes. Yes, okay, there we go. I was saying, I want that to be in every game. Okay. So now we should be good. Direction. Oh, that's cool. Okay, anyway, so let's start over. Of course, it was like, so I want to save this because I want this to be something in every game, right? Bubble tea time. So yeah, that's me. So originally, because there's two. It's like, what the fuck did I do? Can you click this one? It's so funny. I can't read what that says because it doesn't let me scroll down. I think that's delete. Okay, thank you. Can I hide this? Taskbar settings. Can you hide that? We'll deal with it later. So yeah, so this is like a cute little idea I had because I don't want to make a settings box yet because it's doing too much. I can barely code to walk left and right, so I'm not going to code a settings box. How am I already lagging? That's crazy. So it seemed like me halfway opening the settings is what made it lag. So yeah, this is a cool idea I had. It looks really cute. Obviously, that's me. When I wear my suit and ties, it's summer right now, so I cannot wear my suit and ties. But I will be wearing them in the winter. That's my style. You know, I tried so many things. I like a lot of stuff. I like emo stuff. I like gothic stuff. I like pop stuff. I like surfer stuff. I like rocker stuff. I like Afro stuff. I like Afrocentric. I like urban streetwear. You know, black people. I like that stuff. I like all sorts of stuff, clothing wise, style wise. But I think what it narrow it down to is dress clothes, like dress shirts and ties, and like East Asia, like China and Japan type of stuff. Because I have like several kimonos. You know, you guys know I went to college for Japanese language and culture. But like I said, right now I decided to switch to learning Chinese language and culture, not in college, obviously, but just on my own. So I'm going to get some Hanfus and Changdus. Hanfus and Changfus, which is their version of kimono, kind of. I'm gonna get some of those. Not anytime soon because I'm poor as hell. But you know, I will be getting some at some point in my life. But yes, that'll be it. It'll be East Asian, generically East Asian clothing, and dress shirts and ties, basically. And then in the summer, I want dress shirts that are short sleeve or tank tops and ties, and then jean shorts. That's whenever in the future I can afford to switch up my wardrobe, I'll be getting some more. I'll be getting some Chinese clothing, and I'll be getting some jean shorts and I'll be getting some jean shorts and short sleeve dress shirts. Anyway, I'm getting on a tangent. This back button broke everything. I just want you guys to know that this back button right here broke everything because I would hit back, and then it would like freeze the game because it would have it trying to play the black screen, white screen logo, as well as starting the actual game at the same time. So I just want you guys to know that back screen broke everything originally. So yeah, let's hit start. Look, it glows. Look at that. And I have a fucking level 1 screen. And look at this. Look at that. You see that? It tells you what level you're on. Alright, I'm sorry. And then watch this. We're gonna wait for 60 seconds. We're gonna wait for 60 seconds. Watch this. I want you guys to watch this shit right here. Yeah, it seems like 2 days ago it was going so slow because I was charging it and that heated it up quicker. I think that's what it was, which is unfortunate because it's going to be needed to charge soon. But I think that was adding to it heating up and making the stream slow down. I think that's what happened because it's going perfectly fine now. Like the stream is fine so far. Yeah. And you know, as I code more and more, I'm gonna learn to make it as optimized as possible and the least bloated as possible. Cause you know that's you want the game not just for my stream, but for the game itself. You want it to have the least amount of code as possible while still running as smooth as possible, right? I'm waiting for something. I'm waiting for 60 seconds to pass. Sorry guys, but I want you guys to see that the idle animation works now. It actually, if you sit still for a minute, look, she's doing her little animation. Look. I'm so happy. You guys don't understand. All 0 viewers right now. Two viewers. Who's the fucking second viewer? Hold on. That's 2 viewers. Who you? Hello, second viewer. Whoa, I have an actual viewer. What's up? Who the fuck? I'm sorry to curse. Hello? Hi, second viewer. Hold on. Hi, second viewer. Say something in the chat, bro. Unless that's my mom. That'd be crazy if that's my mom. Hi, mom. If that's my mom. Hi, mom. Yeah. Or, family member. Hi, second viewer. Whoever that is. Hello. I'm going to wait for my little thing to show up. There I am. You can see it on the stream now. That's cute. Hi, second viewer. Whoever that is. Hello. Let's see. Hi, second viewer. We love you, second viewer. All right, anyway. Look, my idle animation works. I made that myself. Look, I was on this computer like 3 hours yesterday, and I just didn't feel like streaming. I didn't feel like dealing with having to talk and perform and oh, worrying if it's lagging or not. I just wanted to code. I had a fucking inkling to code, and I'm like, bitch, go code while you have the fucking inkling, because when you're working so damn hard, everybody knows when you have a full-time job like most people do until they can get big. If you weren't born rich, sometimes it's hard to finish your day job and then do stuff at home again for multiple hours. So I was like, that's why I haven't streamed in 2 weeks. That's why I haven't worked on my YouTube editing in a while. That's why I haven't uploaded in a long time. But hey, I'm on my shit anyway. So I was like, while I have the motivation, because I had set an urge to be coding yesterday. So like, you know what? I'm gonna get on the computer and code. So I coded yesterday. I coded a lot. So like I said, you can see the idle animation working. It counted to 60. You guys saw. Oh my God, this is the best part. So you guys saw how. So first of all, I have a whole title screen now. I have a title animation where it comes in black. You see the logo of the game development studio, and then you see the logo of the game. And then the starting screen with the actual title, that works properly. I have a little me section for info, and the back button works, and the start button works, and the start button, back button, me button, they all glow when you hover over it, because that's just cool. I like that. So all of that stuff works. And then I have a fucking title screen for level 1. Did you guys see that? I drew that myself, not the circles. I drew the level 1. The circles was already a pre-art. I'm like, I'm not drawing a million circles, but I thought it looked cool. Anyway, so that works. You see what else is over here? You see that little thing in the corner on the right? Guess what that is? Look at my sprites at the bottom right here. Victory flag. Bitch, I made that sprite. I coded that goddamn sprite. You want to see its code? We can see its code right now. It's very simple. If you've been hit, then go to this, level 3, and then game finish. It's very simple. But motherfucker, I coded that bitch. Yes, I did. I coded that victory flag. So, as you can see, the idle animation works. Obviously, all the buttons work. Up, down. I have not coded up yet. We're going to get to that. Actually, let me write that down. Because I don't think I have that written down to code the up button for the umbrella. Hold on, I have to fix my shit around. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Why does suddenly get quiet? Oh, that's because... Okay. Okay, let's see if I move this down. There we go. Okay. In video games, I need to do the up button. Up button, umbrella, shield. Because obviously, like I said, I had an idea for projectiles, falling projectiles, and then you use an umbrella to block it. Because I was like, space is already jump, so what's the up button gonna be? Because I was like, I can use up button for jump, but space just, like, that's jump to me. That's jump to me. To me, jump is space button. Aw, my second viewer left. My second viewer got tired of this shit. Second viewer, come back. We're gonna code, I promise. Okay. Okay. Anyway, so we see up, down. Up is gonna be this. Z, of course, is the hint button that we're going to code today. And you might be seeing another button. You see that O button there? Do you guys remember what I said O button would be? Restarting the level? Watch this. It fucking restarts the level, bitch. It restarts the level, and it knows the exact level to restart. When I tell you I was on Gemini, when I tell you I was on fucking Google, I was like, Finn, how the fuck? And like, I ask questions only to learn, not to have them do everything for me. And then once I figure it out, I don't ask that bitch again because I don't want to use Google. I don't want to use Gemini. But literally, where else could I ask these questions? There's nowhere else to ask questions about fucking Scratch. There's nowhere else to ask questions. So it'll be used for the time being because I don't have any other mentors. And it's kind of hard to look through these 10 things and know what to use. But anyway, I coded all this shit myself. And I did all the art, obviously, as you can see. But whatever, we gotta start somewhere. So yeah, I want to show you guys again. It restarts the damn level. And the bitch starts where she's supposed to. Look, watch this. I'm gonna go way over here. And I'm gonna hit O. Look at that shit. And the bitch starts where she's supposed to. Watch this. She's back at the front. So, obviously there's nothing to walk on yet, but we're not gonna do that today. I thought we were going to, but we're gonna focus on the hitbox. Look, she does a little fucking dance. She jumps up. Yippee, yippee. Look at this. She jumps up, yippee, yippee. And then the next level starts, bro. The next level starts. I'm so happy. Y'all be like, what the fuck you talking about, bitch? I don't care. And look, I'm gonna hit 0. And it shows back, it's on the right level. It says level 2. It says level 2. Look at this. Look at this. And then she does a little fucking yippee dance. Yippee, yippee. Look at this shit. Look at this. Look at this. This is the most simplest thing ever, but I worked hard to do this simple thing because I'm not taking a goddamn coding class. It's just me and fucking Gemini. And Gemini's only there to help me with shit that I literally don't know. I'm like, where's the hide button? Look, yippee, yippee. This is the final level 3. And then, yay! This is gonna be an actual art. I'm gonna draw an actual sprite art of her drinking the boba tea at the tea party because that's the whole point of the game. You're doing these to get to the tea party. Yay! And then the logo, and that's the end of the game. So, as I said, we're not going to do the actual game level yet, I don't think. Even though that's the title, whatever. Because I don't know how long the hitbox is going to take because we've been streaming for an hour already. Yes, we have. Oh boy. Or have we? Yeah, we have. Yeah, we have. It's been an hour already. I did say to myself I'm going to do a 2-hour stream instead of an hour stream. But, you know. Oh, that's why. Okay, so it's been live for an hour, but I didn't actually start until 30 minutes in. Like, I didn't actually start the scratch stream. Okay, so let's get it. Let's get it. So, oh, bitch, I'm like, what the fuck? What was I doing? Hitbox. That's what we need. So the code will be on her. Hey girl, hey Boba. Hey Boba. Up arrow, that's the umbrella. So we need to find the Z. Where is the... I did a horrible job. Like, I had it really organized at first, and as I kept adding things, I just started... It got out of hand really quickly. Look at all this shit. You can't even zoom in out. Oh, I want to show you guys this bitch. You guys seen it last thing, but look at this fucking thing. Look how long it is, because there's so many ores. That's the timer. I'm trying to find the Z button. I think it's down here. This is the what? Oh, that's the victory. That's when you hit the flag. Z button. Here we go. Okay. So like I said, I put a little placeholder to. Okay. So what I'm thinking is that. Okay. So first of all, I'm gonna move this bitch out of here so it can be as long as possible. I'm gonna learn from my mistake and only move it slowly because last stream I accidentally deleted something. Yep, okay, there we go. Nope, bitch, go back to where you're supposed to go. Okay, and up arrow can be right here. Because it's gonna be where that is. Okay, so Z button, which is our hint button. We're going to keep this. So I think it should be tied to, we're gonna have to do something like how we did the, what do you call it? The timer, not the timer, the counter for what level we are on. Like, so it can know which screen to show. So I think that's in my backdrop code, right? When O is pressed. This is the restart. Of current level. Oh shit. God damn it. Alright, we're gonna plug up the computer and that means it's gonna run slow. So sorry guys. Sorry guys. We gotta wait for it to catch up so I can see. Let's see if you guys can see me okay. Oh, this is a horrible angle. Oh well. What can we do? Let me see how it looks. Like I said, when I charge it, I put it on my lap so that I can, see it as much as possible. It's already going slow. Oh goodness gracious! It's already slowing down. Come on, let me just do the hint box. Come on, please. Okay, let's go to scene 2 again. Let's go to scene 2 to give it some break. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when dark or gray. You'll never know how Don't take my sunshine away. I'm waiting for my computer to speed up because it's going really slow. I'm giving it time to cool down because it's hot and it's using all the power. It's on 32. Why the fuck was it top? Bitch, fuck you. It is not being charged right now because it makes it too slow. This thing is on 32%. It can live for 32%. Let me watch this bitch slow back down. Speed back up. I'm gonna unplug this bitch. And I'm gonna let it. This thing is on 32%, but that's not low enough. When it's at power mode on, that made me think it was on like 10%. It's on 32. We can stream for 20 more minutes while I do this fucking hitbox real quick, and then we can go from there. Oh god. Here, what if I do this on and off? Will that help it catch back up? And then if I let's see here. And then what if I refresh? What if I refresh? Let's try that. Still going pretty slow. Hold on. Nope, still going slow. Damn, it usually speeds back up by now. Why is it still going so slow? Uh-oh. Is that all we got? A showcase? I can't even code anything today. I can only do a showcase and then I have to stop. It's literally at a standstill right now. That's kind of crazy. I wish there was a pause stream button. But I guess it makes sense. You can't pause it. Damn. Because if I start the stream and if I stop it and start another one, I wonder if it'll actually I wonder if this shows it for you guys too. Does that show up for you guys? Oh, it's popped back in all of a sudden. Hold on, let's see if it shows for you guys too. And it's frozen again, I think. Yeah, that bitch is frozen. God damn it. God damn it, guys, I'm trying. If it shows it for you guys too. God damn it, guys. I'm trying. Okay, it's, as far as I can tell, it's back on right now. Okay, let's quickly code something. Okay, so as I was saying, so yeah, this says we got 30 minutes. Let's do 20. Oh, 54. Okay. Oh shit. Let's quickly make a 20-minute timer. Quickly make a 20-minute timer. Okay. Okay, we're still on. Okay, so as you can see, this code here, I learned about variables from Gemini, of course, unfortunately, from Finn. If I say Finn, I mean Gemini. Let me be parasocial and have a friend in Gemini. Because who else, right? Shh. Let me be parasocial. That bitch froze? Okay, no, it's just behind. It has me looking at the phone. Okay. So yeah, so I learned about variables. So let's. I feel like I can copy this code to about the hint box, so I can know which one for it to be. When I receive, no, not this one, not this one, not this one. Um. So yeah, I think I'll create a variable so that it knows what level we're on. So yeah, when I receive level one start, yeah. Hint box. So I need to make a sprite called hint box. I need this to be called hint box. Two X's looks weird. And then we're gonna have a nice blue box, of course, and it's going to be like this. Does it have an outline? No, it doesn't. How do I outline it? I want it to have a black outline, right? Right? How do I? Yes. Okay. Then this bitch is a little big. So you make that bitch a little tinier. Put it in the middle. Then we're going to be like, that is so cute. Okay. And then let's do this. Duplicate, duplicate. Um, because I want to have a cute little. Oh shit. Okay. I want to have a cute little animation. So I want it to be like tiny. Like I want it to come up from the. Oh shit. Hold on. They don't move it because you can just move it in the animation. Because if you move it to the corner, it's gonna be off. So yep, and then I want this one to be medium sized. Oh shit. Go back to there. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter because I'm going to be changing it. Right? So small, big, okay. This is the full size. And then this one is going to be half hint. And then this one can be duplicate, full explanation, full result. What do you call it when you solve something? What is it called? The answer, or what is it? It's like another word for it. Resolution. Like when you have the key to the word for the answer to a puzzle. What is it? Resolution, result, solution. There we go. I said resolution and answer. I couldn't think of solution. Solution was the one I was looking for. Solution. Full solution. Because like it's a problem. It's an equation. So yeah, so it'll be so okay. So level. What's short for level? Level one. Um, level one. Oh shit, that is not that. Ooh. Okay, so this is frame one animation. Frame two animation. Okay. So it'll be kind of cute for it to like come like boop, like to come from there and then have a little mini boop 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 boop. You know what I mean? What's that? Okay, we're still good. We're still good. And then obviously I'm gonna need a different hitbox for every level. So let's duplicate, uh, duplicate. Why is there a goddamn exclamation mark? Exclamation mark. God, am I? Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. And then this needs to be full solution one, right? Right? Oh God. So I'm just gonna put solution just to save some space so I can actually read it. Then let me save, of course, because I don't want no smoke. Do you guys remember it happened once and it never happened again? But I don't want no smoke. Like it. I did a whole bunch of stuff and then it didn't save. You guys remember that? Like we're not doing that again. So okay, solution, duplicate, duplicate. Okay. Half hint, solution two, half hint, and then solution three. So yeah, because I was like, I feel like it'd be kind of annoying, cause like When I have a game on my phone that has like it's, okay, let me just show you real quick. I have a game on my phone. I play it sometimes. Cause I was like, oh, I want to play solitaire. Oh, I want to play tic tac toe. Oh, I want to play. So I found a game. It's called Offline Games, 1,000 Games. Not an ad, but they can sponsor me if they want. And they have a bunch of games, right? And one of the games that I play the most. Damn, my phone about to die. Everything about to die. I'm really racing against the clock. If they have Yahtzee, like this is a cool ass app. There's nothing else I've been able to see that you can do Yahtzee on your own. You know what I mean? Yahtzee on your phone. And basically, like, you know, you can play a game, like this, for example, and then if you can't figure it out, it has a little hint. But I hate the fucking hint. I don't want the hint. If I don't need the hint, I don't want the hint. You know what I'm saying? And look, let me. Oh, this is not the right one, is it? This ain't the right one. No, this is not it, bitch. I am at level 1,000,000. Oh, multicolor fill. Look, level 85, extra hard, the hardest difficulty. I love this bitch, and I cannot figure this bitch out. But I don't want to use the hint because it's like I don't want the answer to be told to me for me to be able to figure it out. And that's what I feel, you know? Hold on. Let me check my resolution. Say excuse me, my stream can go up to 780. It's not 1080p or 1640, whatever the highest thing is, but hey, it's not 240. Take it or leave it. This is my laptop camera. And I'm not getting another camera. Sorry. If I got paid $1 million tomorrow, I'm not changing this damn camera unless you guys want it. unless I had viewers that wanted it, then maybe. But bitch, I ain't even got 20. How the fuck am I get it? I bought this laptop and it has a camera, so that's the camera I'm using. I'ma do with what you got, baby. Anyway. Yes, okay, so now we have all of our boxes. See, I want to have I want you to hit the hit box once. And then you're gonna have the hitbox where you can hit it. You can hit Z. It'll show you the half hint, and then if you hit the hint box, like it'll give you a hint, and then if you hit it again, it'll give you the actual solution, so that you can have a chance to still figure it out yourself. You know what I'm saying? So let's do text. Where's the fonts? Sans. No. I want Comic Sans. That's hilarious. These are all they have. Pixel fits. Okay. How big is it? I can't see shit. Oh, because it's the same fucking colors. What should I do? White? Yeah, white'll work. Okay. Hint. Okay. Blah, blah, because there's no hint yet. And then click box 4. Hold on. Solution. So I want this to be like middled. What do you call it? Centered. I said middled. Okay. This isn't even centered either. This whole fucking text thing is not centered. So is the box not centered or is this not centered? Because something's not fucking centered. So you're telling me this thing in the center, so why do these look so off? Like, I'm not crazy, it's not in the middle. That's the middle. Man, fuck you. Damn, I should have fucked. Oh wait. We don't have to worry about nothing. We could just copy this. I was about to say, oh fuck, I gotta do this and this and this, but I don't have to do nothing. I could just copy and paste like this. I was about to cry, like, oh, I should have copied the fucking Sprite when I had all the words on there. Wait, why did I do it for the solutions? And then, so that's solution. So, okay, so half hint and then solution. Wait, I have to hit this. Okay. We're still live. And we still got like 20 minutes. Right? Yeah, we still got 20 minutes. So let me, oh shit, hold on 1 second. This is a really good stream, by the way, guys. I feel like I yapped a lot, as I always do, but I also feel like I'm doing stuff, which is great. My stream is not freezing completely. So yeah, it seems like it's running okay. So it seems like I have it on my lap, like I said, to give it some airflow because laptops flow from the bottom. I learned. Solution. And then that's gonna be the solution. Blah blah. Oh shit. Blah 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 blah. And then we're gonna do this. Copy that. And do that for the solutions. Solution. Copy. Boom. Perfect. And now we just have to fucking code it, right? Okay. So we have to make a variable of when. This is obviously not a variable. This is an event, but whatever. When z is pressed. Oh wait, actually, hold on. I want to have it right here. Looks hide, and then when z is pressed. Wait. I feel like it should be when I receive broadcast level 1 start, we will switch to costume. Wait. Because what we need to happen is for you to press Z. Okay. So when Z. Let's see. When I receive that level 1 has started, I'm going to. I think a variable needs to be created. Set. Oh, I need to make a variable. Okay. Make a variable. For the spread only. Hint box level 1. Okay. Set hint. Oh shit! No. Delete. Okay. Needs to be hint box level, so I can make it go up by 1, 2, 3, whatever. Level. Hint box level. Set it to 1. And then that's what I'm trying to think of. And then when it is. So when no. When hitbox level operators, if it is 1, and if okay, here we go. If this, then yes, this is exactly what I need. Okay, I'm figuring it out, guys. I'm figuring it out. I'm slowly learning. I figured out all this hint variable shit when I was trying to figure out the the fuck was I figuring out with variables? Oh, the counter, because I was trying to figure out how to make the zero but the O button work. Am I frozen again? No, I think I was just in deep. It is a little slow, but I think it was just because I was in deep thought. Bitch, we got 36 minutes. We better lock in. Okay, let me just go. Let me go. Okay, if. Sorry, I want to do a background and everything, but I also want to get this done. Okay, so now we need to get the positions. So I like this position a lot. Costume. Let me go to the big costume. Half hint one. Blah blah blah. Okay, so I can see how big it is. Yep, this is the one I want it to be. And then move to this one. I want it to be I want this to be the numbers because I feel like that's a good spot in the screen. I want it to be in the middle of the screen. Originally I was gonna have it show up right here, but it's like middle of the screen. Why not? Especially because it's a 2D level where it's not even this. The camera's not even moving. You're staying stationary in each level. Okay. If okay, looks need to show need to be in costume frame 1 animation show for I think once I think 1 second each frame is plenty of time. Wait 1 second, look, then go to costume, frame 2 of animation, frame 2 of animation, and then, oh yeah, I need to have it moving. Oh shit, okay, hold on. So we have the, okay, so frame 1, I want it to be right here, which is what? Oh shit, is that even the right coordinates? Fuck. I feel like it's not. Oh, it is. Okay, good. Okay, so this is where I want this. Sensing. Where is the, no, motion? Okay, great. Needs to go here, and then I want the big one to be here. Right, and then that's this one. Okay. Goodness. 1 second. I might have to stop it early. My mom might need me, but we'll see. Uh, shit, 10 more minutes. God damn it. Let me not be an asshole to myself, though. I did do a lot. I mean, I got 30 minutes. I have 10 more minutes on my timer, but we can... Here, we'll do 17 more minutes. We'll keep it at that. But, we'll see. Like I said, my mom might need me, but we'll see. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so it goes from there to there to there. And then I need to go to the hint box for number 1, for level 1. Level 1 half hint. Right. Oh, we need the weighting still. Okay, so it goes here. So it moves here, waits a second, moves here, waits a second. 0.5 would probably be enough, honestly, for it to be like an animation. 0.5. And then half it. It'll stay where it is, right? Actually, I would like it to be move again before it goes to that one. Okay, let's try it. Is this level 1? What level is this? I don't know. Wait, I need this to be hidden. Where's the variable? And hide. No. Hide. Okay, here's what it is. We're going to show and then hide it really quickly. No, we don't need it to be hidden. Hide. Okay, we can do this when we finish to make sure everything looks right. What is it? Z. So we are not on. Okay. Okay, let's see. Duplicate. Then we could change all this shit to the second one. Change all this shit to this 2. Hint box is level 2. Wait, did I do this? Okay. Duplicate. Okay. When I receive, set to 2. So we need this to be level 2 start. Level 2 start. Level 3 start. 3. Okay. If it is level 2, then it'll show half hint 2. And then one more for this one. Copy, paste. Then if 3, then it'll show half hint 3. Then we can copy all this to click the sprite, yada yada. Oh wait, actually I don't even think I have to copy the whole thing. I think I can just copy it like this. Right? Yes. Okay. And this can just be if this thing is I don't even need the animation. I can just um um shit. God damn it. Okay, I'm trying to think. This is a lot of mental mind work to try to think of. 15 minutes. Shit. Don't break it. Okay. So what I'm thinking is that it could be like when the sprite is clicked. When the sprite is clicked. If it is that, then okay. When the sprite is clicked, so we can delete all this and just leave it at these. No. Go back. So these two can stay and the rest of this can go. That's what it is. That's what I need. Okay. Make sure it's at the right spot. The sprite is clicked. Delete the rest of that because it'll already be in the costume. And then it can stay. And then... And I know I don't need the coordinates because it'll already be in that spot. I just want to make sure it's in the right spot. So if the level is 2, and then it'll switch to... Wait, no. This needs to be the full solution. Solution. Okay. So when I receive level 1 start, it'll let it know, hey, we're on the first level, so make this level 1. So therefore, it'll be on 1, so it'll know to be the animation, and then it'll show hint 1. And then if this clicked while it is in level 1, if the box is clicked while it is in level 1, which is hint 1, it'll know to go to solution 1. So now I need to code something so that it knows to close when you click it again. I think I know what to do. When this sprite is clicked... No. When Z is clicked... When Z is clicked... And I think Z should be able to close it. I think Z should... So I think, at first I'm thinking like, oh, click it and then click it again to close it. I think Z should close it. So I think Z, and then if it is in costume 1, 2, or 3, when Z is pressed, if it is... I think I should put a bunch of ors. Touch all, like eating RuPaul. Okay. If it is 1, 2, or 3, right? Yeah. If it is cost, how do I I think I'll have to make a variable. Okay. Costume. Solution level 1 costume. Okay. We need to make it shorter. Salu 1 costume. For the sprite only. Okay. Salu 1 costume. Fuck. Shoot. Okay, so I will have a similar thing to this where it'll be set. So I'll just add this to all of these. I'll set the costume to 1 as well, so it'll know that it is in costume 1. Then set Salu costume 1. Set Salu costume 2, Salu costume 3. That way it'll know, hey, we're on level 2, so we're on solution 2, we're on solution costume 2, so on and so forth, so that way it'll know. This bitch doesn't go here? Oh. It's like purple. Or it's this one. Fuck. How did I do it? Um, was it orange? I thought I did that. What did I do? Oh. That's it. That's it. Okay. I need to have this is something that fits in there. That's it. That's it. This is fits in there. Yep. Okay. Okay. So we need 3 of these. We need it to say we need the variable shit. Get out. Get out. We need the variable to be 1, 2, or 3. So if it is 1 or 2 or 3. So basically if the fucking costume is out in the full solution at anything, if the costume is out at any time, it'll know, hey, it's basically letting you know that you are in a solution costume. It is at the solution. The solution is being shown on the screen, so therefore you know if they hit Z to close it. So Z, when nothing's open, will open it, and Z, when it is at solution, will close it at any level. So now I need my variable. I need to make 2 more variables. I need Solu 2 costume. Solu 2 costume for the sprite only. Solu 2 costume. Then I need Solu 3. Solu 3 costume. Solu 1 costume. Wait, what the fuck? I didn't need 3 goddamn. No, I just need 1. I just need 1. Solu costume. Solu. I can put the full name now because I have space. I really like underscores. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Set Solu costume. There, yes. Solu costume. Solu costume. Okay, there we go. No, this needs to be 1. Don't fuck shit up, girl. This needs to be 1. Okay, so now it'll... Okay. I think we're good. So now... So I don't need to make a different variable for each. Bitch, get in there. I don't need to have a different variable for each one because... I'm just changing the value. So I just need solution costume. I just need to know that I just need to know that the costume for the solution is in fact on the screen. Basically. I just need to know that it is on its solution. Like they have hit the hint box twice, they have shown the full solution, and they are done looking at the solution. So now it is signifying to the game, hey, I'm done looking at the solution. You can close it now. If it is on 1, 2, or 3, looks, hide, and go back to... We can just hide it. We ain't even gotta do shit. Just hide it. Okay. Oh, yeah. I need to hide the... What is this? Hint box level, and I need to hide the... Well, we ain't even gotta do that. Let's just start over. Because we will hide it when we are ready. Variables, hide... What is this called? Solution costume. Okay. I think I might have done it, y'all. I think I might have fucking did the hint box. I think I might have fucking coded a goddamn hint box. Start. Make sure nothing broke. Because last time I made a bunch of shit and I broke everything. Okay. And if I hit Z... Z. No. Bitch. What the... So everything's working, but except it's not showing the animation. The box isn't showing. But at least I know it knows to go... So this is proper. This is the issue. Set hitbox level to 1. So maybe it's this. Maybe this is the... Oh, yep. This is the goddamn issue. I need to break this bitch. That's the issue. Look! Did I click it? So this is the issue. Hiding it. So that's a really simple fucking issue. when this sprite is clicked, and then if oh. How do I close it? We're gonna make a fucking Xbox. Ugh. But no, I can just make another sprite. I can just make a sprite. Oh, but I have to copy all the code. Shit. No, I don't want to do that. I feel like the only solution I can think of that isn't. Okay, so I can try to figure out this code for heading Z again. Or I can figure out code to click the sprite. Or I can make an Xbox, like an X right on the corner of this as another sprite and have it so that if I click it, it closes the sprite. I got 3 minutes. Fuck. How much time do I have on here? 20 minutes. Okay, we're gonna add a few more minutes because I'm really I'm thinking my ass off. So this works, but now I have to figure out how to close it because like, let's see. Okay, but look at my cute little animation. This is so fucking 90s point and click game. But anyway, fuck. That's a good ass question, ain't it? How the fuck do I? So I just did all that problem solving. I'm very proud of myself, but now I'm trying to figure out this. Okay. So I have, when this sprite is clicked, that's how it knows to go to the next solution. And then, if this sprite is clicked, and, I should put if, if this sprite is clicked. Okay, I know, shut up, damn, you guys are stressing me out. Get out of here. What is it? Oh my god, I know. Oh my god, shut the fuck up. I have 20 minutes. I'm gonna do it for 10 more minutes. Leave me alone. I'm trying to think. You're stressing me out. When this sprite is clicked, I think I should have an if. If it is in this or this or this or this. If it's on costume, this or this or this. Costume. If costume. Shit. God damn it. Costume number. If costume. And then if costume is this. So it needs to be a hexagon, whatever you call that thing. It needs to be an operator. If there's no costume. Online. Mouse down. If space pressed. If no. Is there any more? God damn, I'm gonna have to use them. I'm trying to be quick. How much time do I have? I have 8 minutes. Oh fuck. Hey Google. Is it still running? It's kind of frozen. Uh-oh. Cause the bitch is dying. Uh-oh. We might be out of luck, guys. I think this bitch might be on its last legs. It says I have 20 minutes. I think the stream is frozen. Fuck. I think the stream is really frozen. Okay, hold on. Oh shit, hold on. I need to go. Okay. Fuck. Like, I like how it's a stress situation when it's really not. Hold on. Okay, I'm here on stream the next day. I'm streaming. Everything's going great. Everything's working properly. I've done most of the code for the hint box on my own as well. From remembering what you taught me about variables. But now, my problem is, I have everything set for when I click it, it does a cute little animation, it shows up. I have set it so it knows which level it's on. I've made variables so it knows which hint box to go to for each level. But what I'm struggling with now is I want to click the sprite once for it to go to what solution I need. And I have it set. It's going to say if hint box level is on 1, showing that it's in number 1, is going to go solution 1. If you click that sprite and the hint box level is number 2, it'll go to solution 2. If I click the sprite and the hint box level is 3, then it'll go to number 3. But I also want to be able to click it. I want a string of code that says click solution, click this sprite, and then if the solution is on solution 3, I want it to hide. So my ideal was if, and then I had an operator that said solution costume 1 or solution costume 2, solution costume 3, then it'll hide. I think that'll work, right? Oh, I have to hit go. I feel like I need to do something else, but I don't know what. Okay, that's confusing. Sometimes like this is helping, but it's complicated and it makes it hard to understand what the hell they're trying to say. That's the one thing I can say. And that stresses me out a little bit. If costume 1, 2, or 3. If solution is if costume number's 1. What does this mean? What? What? It doesn't work. I don't think number 2 will work because it's not just costume 1 is closed or costume 3 is showing, because the problem is it'll already be showing. So the way I have it is you click it once. So you hit Z to make the box show up. You click the sprite that's already showing. So it'll go from, so you click Z, it'll show the hint. You click the box, it'll show the solution. So I want to be able to click the sprite again to close the box completely. Because the only way it's closed is, like, there's no closing it yet. So the exact operations is you hit Z, it shows a hint. You click the sprite of the hint, it shows a solution. So everything's already showing. It's not like it's going from closed to showing after hitting Z. You have to click the box. So I need to go from clicking the box to show the hint to clicking it one more time to closing it. Okay, box state. So I guess I don't need solution costume. Okay. Shit. How much time do I have? I don't know if anyone can see any of this, but I'm trying anyway. Solution costume. Is that the right one? Yep, okay. Solution costume, yes. Where did I put it? I thought I deleted it, so it shouldn't be anything. Box state. No, like I said, I like my underscores for the sprite only. Okay. 1Z is pressed. Set box state to 1. What the fuck? If